What we're looking at here is a Casablanca 4 Seasons. Wait a minute, what the hell? It's not a 4 Seasons, it's a Delta. Fan collectors like to call it a Delta Seasons because it's a Casablanca Delta in a 4 Seasons housing. This fan here dates to 1984. And it also has that weird fan lifter thing going on. And of course, antique white finish. I got 2 of these from Spencer. This one here, plus this one. And I put new bearings in both of them. We'll go ahead and start it up on low. I think these fans are pretty interesting. And I really am not sure why they really exist either. It's just really weird to have a 4 Seasons being called a Delta. I mean, really the only real difference are the blade arms that I know of. These also both use Astrosin motors. Here's medium speed. And I also had to replace the lead wires on this one because they were cut way too short. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but that noise in the background is a plastic bag blowing around. It's not bearings. And there's high speed. Yeah, that noise is literally just that bag blowing around. The bearings in these fans were actually so bad that I actually do want to, when this fan is done spinning down, I'm going to attach a video of the before, what it sounded like before I replaced these bearings. And there you have it. That is all I have for this 1984 Casablanca Delta Seasons.